What's going on, guys? So we're going to do a little technical analysis look. Hope you guys are all enjoying your weekend. With that being said, make sure, do not forget to hit the subscribe button on your way out. Just taking a look at Amazon, we're going to look at the weekly time frame. We're going to kind of go down the ladder from the weekly to the daily to the 4 hour and to the 1 hour time frame. Obviously not going to get into the 1, 2, 5 minute time frames, as those are completely irrelevant. But if we can kind of look at the bigger picture here. So right now, Amazon breaking down, we are trading below the weekly 20 period moving average. Technically speaking, if you are an investor and or a swing trader, you are really looking to ride trends. So with that being said, you want to be riding a stock that is trading over the weekly 20. If we can kind of just go back for a quick example here, look at, in 2020, right around this March, April, May term, we kind of reclaimed this 20 period moving average, and then we kind of just continued to hold the 20, right, for multiple weeks at a time until we started to consolidate and break down. We did have a quick run up here, but you can kind of see the overall trend, right, riding the 20. So as we are now have been broken through multiple attempts to reclaim the weekly 20, a lot of rejection, we are trapped between the 200 and the 20. So with that kind of taken into consideration, now is not the time where you want to be kind of buying stock. If you're looking to add to your long-term portfolio, then why not wait for 2473? If it never gets to 2473, which is a 200-day moving average on a weekly time frame, then let's just wait for it to reclaim and start power trending over the 20 period moving average again. More so, I would look at Amazon for day traders, scalpers. Definitely going to have intraday moves that you can take part of. But as far as swing trading or investing into Amazon right now, I think it's still too early. We still need more market direction. So if we kind of look, just go down the ladder a little bit, and let's look at the daily time frame. Daily time frame, very, very ugly, trading below the 200-day moving average, as well as the 20 period moving average. So you can see here, coming off these highs right around that November 19th area, which a lot of stocks around the 19th, 20th kind of started to break down. We've made a couple of attempts to bounce, but ultimately we are putting in lower highs and lower lows. So if this is going to be our top here, we had our first bounce, lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high. Right now, again, still stuck in the middle of a channel. I think realistically, if we're looking for a short-term swing or a day trade, we really want to get this back over 3089, 3089. To the downside, we would need to lose Friday's lows, which is 2869, right around this area. So we are stuck in the middle of a channel, and that channel being to the downside. So even though Amazon can present a bounce, it can present a dead cat opportunity for a smaller time frame approach. From the daily time frame, what we would be looking for is a close over 29.59, and you have room to 30.94. To the downside, 28.79, and anything below 28.79 is going to have room down to 27.95. So if we kind of just look at the 4 hour time frame here, I'm going to leave those daily levels on the chart. You can see here coming into a little area of resistance, kind of overshot this area 2 times. I guess you can kind of, give this 2,700 a little bit of validation, as we do have a lot of consolidation. The range is actually, 2,700 all the way up to like 2,800. So a little bit of validation down here into this demand zone. As we are approaching this 28.79, it's going to be a very, very key area to kind of keep in mind going into this week's session. Anything below 28.70, I would say, is going to probably overshoot to the downside and work back into this range between 2,700 and 28.73. So kind of a big range to play with there. Also, just kind of know exactly what you're doing when it comes to scalping. Again, we can completely bounce off of the 28.73, bounce into the 29.96, and it seems like a large move, but it's going to be very, very choppy. Amazon has big spreads. It's going to have big intraday moves, 30, 40, 50, 100-day point moves, which is areas of opportunity to take part of from the day trading side, but very, very mentally exhausting. You're going to get a move up and then consolidation, move down, move up, consolidation, move down, move down. consolidation, move back up. Very, very choppy. Macro levels is what we really want to focus on. 2873 downside, has room to 2700. Obviously, before we want to think about really getting long, we want to get over this 4-hour 200-day moving average, which is 3094. Let's kind of just work our way down into the hourly time frame. Again, just kind of keeping those daily trend lines that I have here rolling. Again, you can see 3094 is going to be fantastic room back up to the upside to kind of test these highs here of around 3200. You can see a little bit of mini support. We're kind of building a little bit of a floor here. 2873. Obviously, if this is violated, we do have room down to 2700, and I would look to cover your short position or kind of sell those puts closer to that 2780, 2790 area. So these are going to be your levels here on the 1-hour time frame, and these are going to be the levels to live and die by. 2920 to the top side. Again, for scalpers, okay, so 2920 for scalpers, you're going to have a little bit of room up to 2960. Definitely want to take profits there. Again, like I said, going to be extremely choppy as we get into this little bit of a range here between the 200 and the 20 on the 1-hour time frame. Again, another little bit of a trade to the long side here, 3039 room to 3094. Again, these are mini micro areas. They're cash flow areas. Okay, these are not big trades. These are not areas where you're going to want to put on swing trades or start investing for your long-term portfolio. These are day trades. If you're really looking to add to your position for your long-term portfolio, let's wait for 2700, 2777 in that area. Obviously, we have already discussed if we start to lose at 2700, we do have room down, or we can just kind of wait for the break of 3100. Let's just make it clean and simple. 3100 has room to 3200. Guys, I hope this video helps. Also, do not forget to hit the subscribe button. If you guys want to trade with me each and every single day live, I'm a full-time options day trader. If you guys are looking for levels, intraday, signals, watch list, maybe you want to bounce some ideas off of me, kind of trade the same stocks that I trade. I trade high beta stocks, which is going to be your NASDAQ 100, sort of blanket worth of stocks. Definitely join the Discord. That link is down in the description box below. Give me a thumbs up on the video, and I'm going to see you guys all in the next one.